Imagine handing over the most intimate and life-altering experience, the creation of your child, to a machine. It sounds like science fiction, but a recent live science poll sparked a fiery debate about the hypothetical use of pregnancy robots. Would you trust a robot to carry your baby from conception to birth? This question, inspired by a viral and entirely false story about China developing such technology, has divided readers and ignited a conversation about the boundaries of innovation, ethics, and the very essence of parenthood. But here's where it gets controversial. While the news of a pregnancy robot was a hoax, it forced us to confront a future that might not be as far-fetched as we think. In our poll, published on August 23rd and still open as of August 29th, nearly 180 readers weighed in. The results? Shockingly split. 30% said they'd consider using a pregnancy robot, but only if guaranteed their baby's health and safety. Another 29% flat out refused, calling the idea unethical. Meanwhile, 11% were all in, no questions asked, while 8% expressed doubts about the technology's ability to protect the baby during development. One reader, Renee, passionately declared, "I would never let a robot incubate my child. There's something irreplaceable about the natural bond between a mother and her baby, maybe even a brain-to-brain connection that no machine could replicate." This sentiment highlights a deeper concern. Can technology ever truly replace the biological and emotional complexities of pregnancy? And this is the part most people miss. The debate isn't just about convenience or fear of the unknown. For some, it's a moral dilemma. One commenter, that guy, labeled the concept anti-human science and repulsive, arguing it could accelerate society's decline. But others, like Shan Morgan, see potential benefits. Pregnancy and both can be physically and emotionally devastating, they wrote. Avoiding those risks could be life-changing. Plus, imagine the impact on gender equality if parenting roles were less tied to biology. The idea isn't entirely new. Science fiction like Lois McMaster Bujold's Vorkosigan series has explored mobile incubators that stay close to parents. But could such a concept ever become reality? And if it did, would it liberate us or strip away something fundamentally human? What do you think? Is the idea of a pregnancy robot a step toward progress, or a line we should never cross? Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep this conversation going.